Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to download APK files that's called Android files with IDMs or Internet Downloads Manager here. So now we're gonna check this. Here's the file that he stored in media files. If you not setting up your IDM, you will not working with that. So this is an example that I will show you how to the first download that we have not yet set the IDMs. Now when we click that, it's showing like this. Sometimes it takes a lot of time to download depending on your file, your large file and small file. Sometimes it can be disconnected from downloading from this no resume capacity with Google Chrome's download. So to set this, you need to go to your IDM downloads manager, it here, and then click on option here, and then you will see the file type here. So you can write it down what file you are going to download with. So now I'm gonna teach you you must remember the spacing before every file that you write down. So you space it and then type APK. If you want to use IDM with APK files, so you need to write down the name of the file that inside the file type here, and you can do everything with the file name that you can see here is an ISO or anything, PDF or anything, RAR or yes, everything. So you can write it down with the spacing. After you set up already, you click OK, and then now you go to your file again and refresh this, and you start download it again. So now what happens? See, here is the file that used to download with IDM. So it can be faster and resumes capability. Yes, it means if you are disconnect, you can resume to download it again. So this is my video tutorial. Thank you for Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Goodbye.